Hello, welcome to the Tech Guy, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. So if you are new to this channel, then hit the subscribe button here because there are a lot of people who haven't subscribed. So kindly subscribe and also like this video. So with this video, I'll be talking about how to get, music or sounds for your content. So if you're a content creator and you don't want copyright, this copyright stuff, then this video is for you. So with this video, I'll show you guys how to get, free royalty sounds to use in your videos for free. Yeah. So first of all, just visit this AI website, Beatoven, Beatoven.ai, Beatoven.ai. So visit the website and select the Start Creating for Free. So select the Start Creating for Free tab. And don't forget to create an account. I've already created an account. Okay. So you'll be asked, what do you need music for? So for a YouTube video, and what type of content, do you create? So maybe tips and hacks. Okay. Tips and hacks. Oh, okay. Tips. And get started. So you select the get started. Continue to mobile. You select the add new track. Yeah. So you're realizing here the title. Let me input in the title that I want. The duration, I want 3 minutes. The tempo, I want a bit slow, a bit medium. Let me take medium. Next. Then select the next. Yeah, so with that, you select the genre that you want. Let me select cinematic. Okay. Apply. Motivation. The emotions that I want, motivation. So you just have to wait. So with that, the AI will create, a free royalty music for you to use with no copyright. Yeah. And you'll be able to enjoy this, have a feeling of, AI creating a quality sound for you in your videos. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like this video and also share. Yeah, share. So you just have to wait. Wait till the video is done. So wait. So as you're waiting, we are all waiting for you guys to hear my sound. So you see this my sound. Let's play. Oh, very, very nice. But I think it's a bit slow. So depending on your choice or your preferences, then you can select the type that you want and create your custom, royalty music for your content. So subscribe. I know you love this video, so subscribe. See you next time. Bye, and see you on the other side.